We get now to the booting of the Jamaican Dave Cameron from the Cricket West Indies Board presidency, with, of course, the Jamaicans tearing down another Jamaican, still the feature of these elections. I mean, everybody knows that none of those 8 out of the 12 votes were really for Ricky Skerritt, but were instead votes against Dave Cameron. And this includes the 2 Jamaican votes. Anyway, Cameron got a good run. Now it's the turn of Mr. Skerritt, even if he was not there on merit. Let us say this though, we must not get caught in the trap of thinking that Cameron the devil is gone and Skerritt the Messiah has arrived. Again, the problems of West Indies cricket are bigger than any one individual, outside of the fact that Dave Cameron was a relatively good president that did some good things to go with his bad moments. For something as historically insular as West Indies cricket, personally, I would prefer to see the Jamaican in charge, especially in a context where it's 6-1, half dozen of the other, as it relates to who the president is affecting the cricket going forward. As for this Jamaican against Jamaican thing, me no surprised, and neither should be Dave Cameron, because it's a part of our history. Remember now, it was this same Jamaican people who sell out Marcus Garvey for rice and beans. What do you expect? What do you expect?